Hey, hello, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. I have a camera girl, granddaughter camera girl.
What's up?
She's going to take the video while I cut this watermelon out of the trellis, the one that got stuck here for so long. It's actually probably my biggest watermelon, so we're going to cut it out.
And your most crushed watermelon.
My most crushed watermelon. We're going to cut it out and see what it is going to be like, what it's going to taste like.
Yeah.
So then there's, put the knife right down here beside the trellis.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah, look at that. It's a little squished. It's almost square.
It is. It really is.
Okay, now this should pop out the other side, hopefully. It smells good.
Can't really smell it.
Well, let's take it in the house and we'll see what it tastes like. All right, thank you, camera girl.
You're welcome.
Granddaughter camera girl.
Yeah. Okay.
See it?
Yeah.
All right, let's take it in the house and see what it tastes like.
When I do cameras, I go all out.
No, I probably won't do it. Yeah, I'll get over here and film this way. We're just gonna get a spoon and try it. Actually, let me rinse it off and then we'll try it. Ready?
Yeah.
I'll get you guys.
I'm good. Hey, I was being the camera person.
She's being the camera girl. I got all these camera girls today.
She's a camera lady.
Camera woman.
Come on, get.
It's not bad. It's nice and warm. I think it would be better if it was cold.
I'm scared, but
Scared of what?
it's going to poison me.
It's watermelon. Poison you.
How is it, Michelle?
It's like okay. I mean,
Yeah, it's not great.
I've had better.
It might be not that great because we had such a good dry spell this summer.
That is true.
Yeah, it's not great. I might try a different brand next year.
Different brand? Okay.
Yeah, this one is called Sugar Baby.
Sugar baby. Oh gosh. I only took like a couple bites out of it. You're devouring that.
Look at all the seeds. If we wanted to, we could grow those seeds next year. But we won't, because I want to try a different brand, because the one we had last year was really super sweet. This one's not all that great.
It really was. I mean,
The one we had last year was great.